everyone, Pam here from Just Crafts. Got my new sewing machine today and we're going to do the unboxing. I've already partly opened it, but I haven't opened it completely. So it's an Alfa Practik. They're actually made in Spain. They've been making them for about 100 years apparently. And I brought this from Echidna Sewing in Capella in Queensland. So I'll open this up. You've got your little package from Echidna Sewing, which has got feeding your creative is one of the things, and it congratulates you on your new machine. There's a pen. Which is really nice. You get a tape measure, which is actually very different to the original ones they had. And a sticker. And there's a cleaning cloth to clean the machine with. It's really handy. And of course your important information. Also in here is the next package. And you've got the warranty card. Now if you get it, it comes with 2 years warranty, but if you get it serviced by Echidna before that 2 years is up, you get an extra 2 years. So there's actually a 4-year warranty on this. There's the manual for the sewing machine and the cover. So that's the cover for it. It's only a very lightweight cover, which is fine as long as it keeps the dust off. And in here is the machine. So that should be interesting to take out. Pause it for a minute. Foot pedal, which I've already taken out of the packaging. And this bit goes on the front of the machine, and in there is the accessories. So you've got a buttonhole foot, you've got needles, you've got a stitch ripper, you've got some bobbins, some oil and some other feed in there, plus a little screwdriver. And when I watched the video on Echidna Sewing, this is a plate that you put on the jumpers, so on the bottom plate, so that you can do free arm or free motion quilting. So we'll get to the sewing machine. That, my friends, is the Alfa Practik 9. Take this out. There's a sample of the stitching that it does, which is very nice. So that's the machine. There's the stitches that it does. And it's all very simple to operate from what I've seen. You've got your stitch width, I think, there, and you've got your stitch length there, your standard handle on the side, your foot, your presser foot raisers at the back, bobbin winder. These are your spool holders here. Now, it's actually unusual for a standard household machine to have 2 spool holders that I've seen. None of the ones I've had have had that, so this is a first for me. It goes on there, and there she is. The Alfa Practik 9. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this machine, and I will catch you for the next one when I'll be doing some sewing. You have a great week. Bye for now.